Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hi, I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 4 Hillside Road in Penfield, a spectacular ranch home with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. So let's take a tour. Upon entering this home, you're greeted with a spacious living room with floor-to-ceiling windows, open to a formal dining room with a chair rail and patio access, leading to a white and bright kitchen with quartz countertops and a tile backsplash, open to a family room with a beautiful accent wall with a gas fireplace and porch access. This home also features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a spacious master suite with laundry and a closet with custom built-ins, plus a stunning screened-in porch, great for relaxing. Enjoy and relax on this expansive patio overlooking the beautifully landscaped backyard. Nearby, the town of Penfield offers great restaurants and shops. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4 Hillside Road in Penfield. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!